Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing one of those scam websites again, which is BigsUSA. So as you can see, they also sell products for women, and there are a lot of sites like these, too many to count. And as you can see, they didn't even try with this one, so they have this out of place shop now button here, the very clearly low quality photo right here for the homepage. And as you can see, there's another low quality photo. And if you're wondering if this is actually a scam, as you can see right here, and they basically just say it out right here on malwaretips.com. So how the scam works. So the scam review on the surface, BigsUSA.com appears to be a legitimate online retailing seller selling various discounted items to shoppers at prices significantly lower than major retailers. So scammers behind BigsUSA use spam emails and social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to promote the site and lure in victims. So once the victim places orders and submit information, the scammers simply take the money and run. So you get nothing at all, knockoff or inferior substitutes, used or damaged or tampered goods, completely wrong items, and a lot more. So how the scam store operates. So they operate through social media advertising, the illusion of real e-commerce store, fake order confirmations, and failure to deliver ordered items, and refusal to issue refunds. And they also been reported here on BB's scam tracker. So that is basically it. So please do not buy anything from this shady website, since if you can't tell from a glance that it is shady, please do not buy anything. And don't put in your information here. It is a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.